nature in the city, students will be learning about how water travels across the Syracuse landscape. We'll be showing them a 3D model of how when it rains, sometimes that runoff can carry pollution into Onondaga Lake. We'll also be talking about how Onondaga County Save the Rain is combating this by building green infrastructure all throughout the city, which essentially captures that runoff before carrying the pollution into the lake. We're going to pretend this is our porous pavement, and we're going to place it on the roads. Someone also mentioned rain garden, so let's build a few gardens. Let's see what happens to the water now that we have all of this green infrastructure.
Water, right? Yeah, I like it.
Is this one dirtier or is this one dirtier?
That one!
This one is, right? So this was before we built all of our green infrastructure. This is after. So after we had all of that green infrastructure in our city, okay, a lot of it captured the rainwater, so that's why there's less that ran into the lake, and it captured the pollution.